Hello, I'm going to teach you how to seal a painting. This is an acrylic painting that I painted. It's stretched canvas over a wood frame, so it is 3D. I painted this about 12 hours ago, so it's completely as dry as it's going to be, which is very important. I'm going to go ahead and use this method with a spray can. These cans range in price from $7 to around $20 depending on the brand. I'm going to go ahead and shake it up super good, really good. I did that before I started filming. And a trick with this is that I like to do the edges and then the middle. And when I hold my can, I like to hold it on the edge on the back. If I hold my can forward like this, what's going to happen is the stuff that comes out is going to get kind of icky and gross and grow up, and then I'm going to have little spots on my painting, and I don't want that. So shape the canvas, and I recommend doing the edges first. So I went 3 times, another 3 times, 3 times, and then I'm gonna go. Notice how every time I do the side, I angle my can to that direction. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go back and forth motions really quickly, being careful not to get spots on my painting. And I'm letting my sprays come out to the side a little bit. Now I missed a few little spots, so because of these little spots I missed, I'm going to take it one more time and go vertical. Notice how I'm moving super fast and I'm only a couple inches above, and then maybe just a little bit. But try not to stay spraying in one area too long, otherwise you're going to get a spot and it's going to be noticeable. Now I'm doing this right now. The weather is around 60 degrees outside. I have done this in 30-degree weather in the middle of January, and it just, when I did that, it took about 6 hours for the painting to dry. I've done this in 90-degree weathers and it took 15 minutes. So you're going to notice a slight odor. Since I'm only doing one painting and it's really windy today, I'm not wearing my mask, but sometimes I'll save my paintings until I have 20 or 30 of them and then do them, and I'll wear my mask and I'll wear my gloves. But if I wear gloves, make sure that you're not getting the overspray on the edge of the can. Now you can paint on sealant and stuff, but then that is really super expensive. This is the cheaper method, and I got this at the art store. And that's it. Very simple, straight to the point and easy. Yeah, normally this canvas is 11 by 14. Mostly you guys know that I paint 8 by 10. So those canvases normally I can spray about, with doing this method and how thick I do it, I can usually get about 20 canvases on an 8 by 10. When I do 16 by 20s, I've noticed I really only get about 5 canvases with one can, so it can get a little pricey that way. I recommend doing it on stone and on gravel versus the grass, because when you're in the grass, what happens is there's little tiny bugs, and then the wind blows, and maybe there might be a tree with leaves, and then that gets on your canvas, and maybe dandelions or whatever, and then so what's going to happen is they'll stick to your canvas, and then you can clean them out and everything, but then you'll have little divots and stuff and lines, and it just doesn't look good. So anyways, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe for more awesome art tips.
Thanks for watching. Push the purple flower to subscribe and you can watch all kinds of awesome videos.